In this example, we're going to be finding the volume of a cone, and we are going to again use the same formula that we did to find the volume of a pyramid, and that formula is volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base times the height. So we need to figure out the area of the base and the height. The height is given here. The height is given as 7 centimeters. And we have the radius of the base. This area of a base of a cone is circular, so we are going to use the formula of pi r squared to find the area of the base. So once we have our given information, we can plug it in to where it belongs. We're going to find the exact volume of the cone, and we're going to round it to the nearest tenth. So to find the exact volume, we're going to keep pi in. We're not going to substitute for pi. So we're going to set this up as volume equals 1/3 times the area of the base is pi r squared. So that would be pi times 3 times 3. And then the height is 7. That's times 7. Now we can multiply all of this in any order we want because it is multiplication. So we're going to multiply all of our numbers together, and then it's going to be something pi would be our volume. The first thing I'm going to do is 1/3 times 3. If I figure out 1/3 times 3, well, 1/3 of 3 is 1, so that leaves me with 1 for those two. Then I'm left with 1 times 3 is 3. 3 times 7 gives me 21 total. So my volume here would be 21 pi. So our volume is 21 pi, and that is centimeters cubed. That would be our exact, that is our exact volume because we did not substitute for pi. Now, to find an approximation, we're going to substitute for pi, and in this situation, we're going to use 3.14. So now to find our approximation of volume, we are going to go volume equals 21 times 3.14. When we multiply 21 times 3.14, we are left with 65 and 94 hundredths. We want to round to the nearest tenth. 9 is in the tenths place. There's a 4 that follows. That 4 is not going to change it. So our approximation of volume is approximately 65 and 9/10 centimeters cubed.